Right, here is my assignment 2 game. It's a platformer which is based on my stencil game, and I can already tell you, because I hated my stencil game, this is a very simple game. It has a lot of problems, such as, of course, the collision detection between, of course, the player and the troll. Because we're using a certain type of collision, um, any collision between any invisible box around the two characters, it collides. It's a collision, no matter if the actual character itself collides with the actual troll. And later in this video, I will show you what happens when the troll and the player collide. Now, as you can see, this is a game board, and we use a CSV file which contains just full of numbers, and each number represents a tile. So if 0, of course, is the background tiles, which of course you can walk through them as well. You've got 1s, which are the street tiles. These are the normal tiles, and then you've got some ones with the red, which are pit tiles, where trolls should be, and when we put multiple enemies to it. And of course, you've got this background key which you go through, and you should go through to the next level or to game over. But because I was pushed for time, there's just one level, no game over states, nothing. Okay, we are using enums for both the troll and the player. The player states are just alive or dead, and moving or not moving. But let's just show you what I've got. Of course, as you can now see, there's a collision, so I'll probably have to start this again. Sorry about that. So here we go. Here is the game from the start. So you press Y to jump, and the D-pad to move around. Now, I had a good idea for these types of tiles. I was going to change the colour of the player to red, so to show danger that we should actually stay away. But because I was pushed for time, I couldn't do that as well. Now, we're using gravity for the jumping and the falling. Now, and we use maths to, and a bit of physics. Because when you jump in real life, the actual fastest bit is when you're actually in the air, and of course falling is the opposite. Now, if you actually near a tile and you jump, it acts as just like a ladder, basically, and that's actually part of the algorithm here. Now, of course, this is a very simple game, but it's not a really simple algorithm. And of course, I got so now let's just see what happens if I touch the, and it may, when I touch the troll, it turns the troll into like a shadow. Basically, we just change the color, and when we kill the player, but not disappear. just cancels its function and you can't move. So that is my game. Again, it is very simple. It's not really the game that I really wanted to make in terms of the content, but in terms of the genre and that, it is the game that I really wanted to make. But pushing for time, couldn't find anything, uh, and I think also having some issues with Visual Studio as well at times, and made it, I think, impossible to make a really good, complete game with extra functionalities. I couldn't. So the only thing really I changed is a couple more tiles. That's it. So if you've got any questions, feel free to ask. But that concludes my game.